Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this presentation on constants and parameters, understanding the fundamental concept in mathematics. Today we will explore these essential concepts and their significance in mathematics and science. Definition of a constant. Let's start with constant. A constant is a value that does not change. Unlike variables which can vary and change their value, a constant remains fixed regardless of the conditions or operations to it. Constants are used in mathematics, science, to represent fixed, unchanging values. They provide a stable reference point in equation and logarithm. Constants are also used in programming. Examples in mathematics. One of the most famous example of a constant in mathematics is the number pi, which represents the ratio of a circle circumference to its diameter, approximately 3.14159. No matter how large or small the circle is a constant because it does not change. It's always 3.14, and this value is used universally in mathematical equation involving circle. For instance, in the equation for a circumference of a circle, C equal to PR. It's not a P, it's a pi. R, where R is the radius, pi remains constant. The only value that changes is the radius R, while pi remains the same. This illustrates how constants serve as stable, unchanging values within mathematical formulas. To sum up, constants are vital because they provide fixed value that allow us to build reliable equations and models. Whether it's in mathematics, science, or programming, constants help ensure that certain relationships remain consistent and predictable. Now, understanding parameters. Let's shift our focus to understanding parameters. Let's explore the concept of parameter, which are fundamental in both mathematics and programming. A parameter is a special kind of variable that acts as an input to functions or equations. Unlike regular variables, parameters are specially designed to pass information into functions, allowing us to customize the function's behavior based on the inputs. Definition of a parameter. So, what exactly is a parameter? A parameter is a placeholder within a function or an equation that represents the value to be provided when the function is called or the equation is used. This value can change each time the function is executed, allowing the function to produce different results based on the input provided. Examples in mathematics. Let's consider a mathematical example, the quadratic function fx equal 2x plus 2x plus 1. Here, x is the parameter of the function. It represents the input value and the function computes the output based on this input. By changing the value of x, we can see how the output changes. So here, table highlighting the difference between variables, parameters and constant. So dear student, our first lecture was variables on the variables. So this table shows that different between variable, parameter and constant. So see carefully definition. Definition of variable is a symbol or name representing a value that can change. And parameter, a special kind of variable used as input to function or equation. And then constant, a value that does not change. So what are the usage of variable, parameter and constant? So variable used to store and manipulate data that may vary. Parameter used to pass specific input value to functions or equations. Constant used to represent fixed unchanging values. Now, what are the scope of variable, parameter and constant? So, variable can be used throughout a program or mathematical equation. Parameter typically used within the scope of a function or equation. Constant used globally or within specific context where a fixed value is needed. So example, for a variable x plus 5 is equal to 10 where x is a variable because it is changeable. For a parameter example, fx is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 where x is a parameter because when we change the x, the output or equation will be small or getting the answer. Now pi is equal to 3.14. It is the constant. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this presentation on constant and parameter. I hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with my latest uploads. Your support helps me continue to create educational content for everyone. Thank you once again and see you in the next video.